This is an important message for all the business leaders willing to take the risk, follow their gut, and not afraid to take their business to 10 million, 100 million, or even $1 billion and beyond. But my question for you is, how do you keep scaling up your business without wasting time, money, energy, or your best employees? How can you grow without having to work ridiculously long hours? I'm Vern Harnish, and you might know me as the author of the best-selling book, Scaling Up. And because we value implementation over theory, during this online training, you're also going to learn our proven frameworks and tools. We've already been using these with companies like Atlassian, BuildDirect, but our sweet spot is with mid-market companies like yours. During this webinar, I'm going to share with you the most recent and most impressive case studies of their implementation, all good, fresh stuff. And we're going to strip them down to the action steps so that you can start using the frameworks yourself right after the webinar. And then we're going to wrap up the discussion with some open Q&A. If you have any burning questions regarding your business, this is a perfect opportunity to get them answered. And the webinar is free, but it's only for those CEOs and executives that are serious about scaling up. If you want to be forever a startup, let's not waste each other's time. Now, if this inspires you, simply join us by signing up on our website. Thanks, and we'll see you there.